Music licensing reimagined.
Welcome to the ICT Express Group.
Welcome to our video on Google certificate courses. In today's digital age, acquiring relevant skills and knowledge in the field of technology is essential. Google certificate courses provide a fantastic opportunity to learn in-demand skills and earn industry-recognized certifications, all at your own pace and convenience. Overview of Google certificate courses. Google offers a wide range of certificate courses that cover various aspects of digital marketing, data analytics, project management, user experience, UX, design, and more. These courses are designed to equip learners with practical skills and prepare them for career advancement in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Benefits of Google certificate courses. Industry-recognized credentials. Google certificate courses are developed by industry experts and recognized by leading companies. Completing these courses demonstrates your proficiency in specific domains and enhances your employability. Practical and relevant skills. The courses focus on practical applications, providing you with hands-on experience and real-world scenarios. You'll gain valuable skills that can be immediately applied to your professional endeavors. Flexible learning options. Google certificate. Courses are self-paced and available online, allowing you to learn at your own convenience. You can access the course materials from anywhere, anytime, making it ideal for individuals with busy schedules or those who prefer flexible learning options. Comprehensive curriculum. Each course is thoughtfully structured to cover the fundamental concepts, industry best practices, and advanced techniques in the respective domains. You'll gain a deep understanding of the subject matter, ensuring a strong foundation for your career growth. Community and support. Throughout your learning journey, you'll have access to an engaged community of learners and instructors. You can participate in discussions, seek guidance, and collaborate with fellow learners, creating a supportive environment.
Popular Google certificate courses. Google Ads. This course focuses on digital advertising and covers topics such as campaign creation, keyword targeting, ad formats, bidding strategies, and performance measurement. By completing this course, you'll gain proficiency in running effective online advertising campaigns. Google Analytics. This course delves into the world of web analytics, teaching you how to analyze data, track website performance, and gain valuable insights. You'll learn how to make data-driven decisions to optimize websites and marketing campaigns. Google Cloud. This course explores cloud computing and the various services offered by Google Cloud. It covers topics such as cloud architecture, data storage, networking, and security, enabling you to leverage the power of cloud technology. UX Design. This course provides an introduction to user experience, UX, design principles, and methodologies. You'll learn how to create user-centric designs, conduct usability testing, and optimize the overall user experience. How to get started. To get started with Google certificate courses, visit the Google Career Certificates website. Browse through the available courses, choose the one that aligns with your interests and career goals, and enroll. The courses typically consist of a series of modules, quizzes, and hands-on projects to assess your learning progress. Conclusion. Google certificate courses offer a valuable opportunity to upskill and stay relevant in the ever-changing digital landscape. By completing these courses and earning industry-recognized certifications, you'll enhance your career prospects and open doors to exciting opportunities. Invest in your future by enrolling in Google certificate courses today. Outro. Thank you for watching our video on Google certificate courses. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content and updates on the latest trends in technology and professional development. Happy learning!
Music licensing reimagined.
Welcome to the ICT Express Group.